if you want to buy a new compass, you have to press the first button and it will show you day pass or single tickets. For single tickets, that means one fare for downtown Vancouver at the water station or waterfront station. For the two fare, that means you can connect here for the modern line. And the day pass, that means if you buy, so this is if you want to buy balance, that means press the yellow buttons and that will show you how much dollars did you need. So I can use $10 and that will show you 10. And this is the compass machine. And we also have some compass card. We didn't make it. Now we can make a compass machine at Cypress Station, Bray Station, Waterfront Station, and Boulevard Station. So now our customer can buy any ticket they want. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our translink.ca. Happy trampling!